Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get an auto clicker on iOS or Android in 2025 updated. So in iOS, you will just use assistive touch. You will just go in the settings, find accessibility, scroll down, find touch, just tap on it, assistive touch, turn it on. So from here, you will just customize your actions, and you will just also create the new gesture, and you will just also use the shortcut application which is inbuilt in iPhone. So basically in shortcut app, you will just limit it functionality, and you will just open the shortcut and create a new automation. Select tab or open app as the trigger. And example, I will just tab on automation. So I will just already set it when battery levels falls below 50%, so it will be just notify me. So if I just tell you the Android method, so in Android this is the best. So for Android, best method is that you will just download the auto clicker automatic tab from the Play Store, and you will just enable accessibility service for the app and set the click points and interval, and you just start the auto clicker in your desired app. So in this way you will just use it for the both iOS or Android. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.